Good evening, children. Yesterday we discussed in the polynomials, that is exercise 3.3. That is second one we discussed. Today we are discussing third one. Find the quadratic polynomial. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros. For the zeros, alpha, beta given in each case. In the previous problem, he only did sum of the zeros and product of the zeros directly as given. But in this problem, this is alpha and this one is beta. We have to assume that this one has alpha and this one has beta, and we have to find out the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros, and then we have to find out the quadratic polynomial. Let's see how to do this one. First, see, you assume this as alpha and beta. Alpha is equal to 2, beta is equals to -1. So alpha plus beta, that means sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equals to 2 plus of -1. Whenever minus, if you see the minus, you have to open the bracket. Okay, you have to use the brackets. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 2 minus 1, 1. So sum of the zeros is 1. So what is the product of the zeros? Product of zeros, alpha into beta is equals to, what is alpha? 2 into minus 1. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Whenever minus is there, minus into plus, minus 2. So how to, if you find the sum and the product, it is very easy to find out the quadratic polynomial. How to write the quadratic polynomial? We have an equation. What is quadratic equation? X square minus x into alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros, plus next product of the zeros. What is x square? X square only, minus x. What is alpha plus beta? 1. So put 1. Substitute 1. What is alpha beta? Product, -2. So -2. Now you write x square minus into plus, minus only. So minus x, minus into plus, minus 2. So this is the required quadratic equation. This is the first one. So what is, how to find the required quadratic equation? Find the quadratic polynomial, he asked you. How to find out the quadratic polynomial? First sum, next product. Then you have to substitute these values in the place of sum and the product. Okay. Now we'll see the second one. This is about first one. Next, second one. Second one also same. X value is √3. That is alpha value is √3 and beta value is -√3. So plus √3 minus √3. What is the sum? Sum is equals to alpha plus beta is equals to √3 minus √3. Plus of minus is becomes minus only. So plus √3 minus √3 gets cancelled, 0. So what is product? What is product? Alpha into beta is equals to √3 into minus √3. How to multiply this one? 3 into 3. 3 square root whole square root to square gets cancelled. Minus will be there like that only. So -3. Product is -3. Now what is equation? How to write quadratic equation? Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is x square minus x alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So x square, like that only you have to write, minus x into, what is alpha plus beta? 0. So put 0 plus, here -3. Alpha beta is -3. So x square, everything becomes 0. Because if you multiply anything with 0, everything will be 0. So don't write this one. Next go for this. This is the required quadratic polynomial. In this way we can do the problem. Okay, third one we will see, or fourth one. Fourth one I will tell you. Third one you do it your own. Only third one is homework. Only remaining fourth one I will tell you. How to do the fourth one? See, fourth one, alpha is equals to 1 by 2, beta is equals to 3 by 2. Both are in fractions. No problem. You don't worry about the fractions. You just go on doing. Sum is equal to alpha plus beta is equals to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. So LCM is 2. So 1 plus 3 is equals to 4 by 2. 3 plus 1, 4. So if you get cancel 2 ones, 2 twos. So sum is 2. What about the product? Alpha beta. Product is alpha into beta. Alpha is 1 by 2. Beta is 3 by 2. So there is no cancellation. You should not cancel two denominators. You have to cancel one numerator, one denominator. But here there is no possibility to cancel. See here 2 are both in denominators. You should not cancel. So multiply the product of the numerators. 3 ones are 3 by 2 twos are 4. Product is 4. What about the quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial is x square minus x alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So x square minus x into alpha plus beta is nothing but 2 plus alpha beta is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4. Here it is not a polynomial. Why? Because we should not have the denominators, fractions. So remove this fraction. In order to remove that one, multiply with 4. Each and every term multiply with 4. 4x square minus x into 2 into 4 plus 3 by 4 into 4. Each and every term you multiply with 4. Now 4 gets cancelled. 4x square, 2 4s are 8, minus 8x plus 3 is the required quadratic polynomial. In this way we have to find out if he has given alpha, beta, you have to find out the sum, product, and you have to find out the quadratic polynomial. If they give directly sum and product, directly you can go for the quadratic polynomial. Okay, thank you.